New day, new opportunity. Happy New Year to all of you. Hi, my name is Saksha and I welcome you all to my channel. So, in this video, we are not going to talk about CAT or CAT preparation. In this video, we are going to talk about vision. Let's talk about this year, what we are going to do. I know you cannot tell what you are going to do, but in this video, I'm going to tell what I'm going to do. So let's begin. This year, my goals are little bit simple, or it is clear enough more than the previous year, because being a PCB student preparing for NEET, it's so much, a lot. I cannot explain that feeling. After that, I decided to prepare for CAT. Unfortunately, I didn't clear NEET. So I decided to go further, not to take another drop. Yes, I was a dropper from NEET. So let's talk, just don't get into that. Let's talk about this year. So what we are going to do? Well, I decided trying to be consistent. Means every single day, अगर मेरे पास 2 घंटे भी बच रहे हैं पूरे दिन के, I'm going to spend that on my CAT preparation. Being an first year college student, अब तो मेरा Sem 1 भी खत्म हो चुका है. Yes, my winter vac is going on. तो मेरा भी 10 दिन की मुझे छुट्टी मिली है. Yes. तो उस 10 दिनों में I have decided to continue or restarting my CAT preparation. Well, I decided that this year or the end of this year, I'm going to cover all the syllabus of CAT. Yes. Second thing is the college. Yes. Second one is the college in my vision board or 2026. Yes. Teachers told me in semester wise, like Sem 1, it is going to be an odd, and in Sem 2, it's going to be an even. So basically, what I'm going to tell you is, देखो odd हो तो तुम्हें chapters कम मिलेंगे और time ज़्यादा रहेगा. But even is little bit tougher because तुम्हें इसमें chapters ज़्यादा मिलेंगे और time I think 2 months approx मिलेंगे. तो मुझे इसे भी सेकेंडरी नहीं रखना है. As you know, अगर तुम्हारी अच्छी CGPA नहीं आएगी तो तुम्हारे प्रोफाइल में वो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. When you go to the interview, it's play a very big part in that. You have to get good enough CGPA of 8 and 9 so that your resume can be boosted up. I know the 10th-12th marks also we considered, but the graduation marks is so much important in that. So that's also I'm not going to put in a secondary. These both are my priority this year. Yes. If you ask me, well, I have changed the teachers. Yes. This year I have joined the PW batch. क्योंकि मैंने जब आरसिक बैच लिया था वो उन्होंने बहुत स्टार्टिंग में कर दिया था, और मैंने इस बार डिसाइड किया कि जो मैंने बैच लिया है इसमें मैं डे 1 से कंटिन्यू रहूंगी. यस, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट फिजिक्स वाला MBA बैच विच इज MBA Pro batch. Yes, for 2026. So from that batch I have started my preparation. Probably the quant section is the Rahul Batla sir. Yes, if I'm not wrong. And second one, I don't know the name. I have to get through this to know the teacher's name. As you know, अगर तुम लोग सोच रहे होगे कि मैंने आरसिक बैच लेके पैसे बर्बाद किए हैं, that's a bit no. क्योंकि उसके क्वेश्चंस are way more good. तो मैं वो बैच को भी नहीं छोड़ूंगी. And I'm going to solve the modules, all the questions. Yes, even the batch questions, the lectures question. Yes. Now, moving forward, what is the third thing? So, I decided to continue my YouTube journey. Yes, I'm going to document my life on this year and grow. Yes, ग्रो करना तुम्हें इस समय बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. दैट्स वाई ओनली आई हैव क्रिएटेड दिस चैनल. एंड सेकेंडरी ये भी है कि मैं कंसिस्टेंट भी हो जाऊंगी एंड आई विल नॉट स्लैक in my CAT prep. For this only this channel I have started. I know from very long time I'm not been posting any video on this channel, but the sem one was going, so I was quite busy in that. But people wasn't very easy also, that I was thinking that last minute mein kar lenge, but not. You have to go deep inside to learn all the concept, all the patterns. When you go into college, everything is little bit anew. तुम्हें उस इन्वायरमेंट में भी ढलने में टाइम लगता है. मैंने तो ये एक्सपीरियंस किया है. आई डोंट नो तुमने जो एक्सपीरियंस किया है वो तुम इस कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख देना. टिल देन, subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. And this time I'm not going to be late. I will post it. Thank you.